Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? This is Ed from Shootdang Models. I'm Ed. It's going to be one of them shows. I can't even say my own intro today. And while I'm at it, y'all get on over there and check out Glenn at Glenn's Models. You'll be entertained and you'll have fun. All right, now, first thing first. You know that Barracuda I've been doing? What is it, a 60 what?
62, I thought.
62 Barracuda or something like that? I finally finished it. That thing was a pain. A real pain. Of course, you know, I didn't use nothing but the body. I had to cut the, I used the body and the,
drive shaft?
Huh?
The drive shaft?
No, the inside, man.
The tub?
The tub, thank you, babe. Nothing in the noggin is getting worse. I'm going to have to go get something for it. What the hell will they give me for it? Shock treatment?
Oh, that's all I need.
I'm already a zombie. All right. So here it is. This is what it turned out looking like. And it isn't really what I wanted to do, but it's the best I can do with it. It fought me all the way. It fought me all the way. And you see it's jacked. Sure is jacked. I can't see in the camera too good. In the back, on the back there, it might be hard to read because it's in red and it's tucked up in here. It says if you can read this, you lost. So I thought that was kind of cool, kind of cute. So anyway, while we're at it, yeah. I don't drop it after all that. That's first because I wasn't happy with it, and it's not a great paint job and all that. I normally don't decal up my gassers, and believe me or not, at one point, gassers they were putting contingency decals from one end to the other. You couldn't even see the paint. If you don't believe that, let's see who backed me up with that. Lucas C. He'll tell you about it. He loves them cars with all them decals. But anyway, if you remember, I couldn't get the motor to fit. Engine, motor, whatever you want to call it. I'm not getting into that. I couldn't get the engine to fit in there. So I had to cut up the tub. I remembered it. And after getting all that, I'm not going to take the hood off because it's a pain in the butt to get back on. But it's all wired. You can see them in there. I'm not a genie. I can't, like, you know, got some moon eyes on the moon tank, which I think it might have gone in focus right there. But you can see that it was a real pain, a lot of work. Nothing fit. I had to grind and cut and trim every single thing that went on this car. What do I think about instructions? I never even looked at these. you couldn't build this. You couldn't build a decent gasser or whatever this is, some kind of dragster. You couldn't build a decent one with them instructions, that's for sure. The drive shaft, it's like 3 different pieces. I had to cut it up. I had to cut pieces off of one and glue it to this one and glue that and this and that. And there it is anyway. I'm having trouble talking today.
It's every day.
Oh, it's every day. Is it okay? Am I doing all right?
Yeah, you're okay.
All right. She would say I was if I wasn't. And y'all be laughing at me. Oh, he's an idiot. Anyway, that's it. That's it. I hope y'all like this because I put a lot of time and effort into this car. And it had me whipped. I bit off a little more than I can chew with this one. What you see is a finished product, but how long did it take me to do that?
Well, over a week.
I mean, it took over a week. It won't take me that long. I mean, you know, you got to figure that I also have other things going, you know, other businesses and sicknesses and stuff like that to deal with. So, you know, it is what it is. I think I did a pretty good job with it. If you don't like it, I don't care. If I did, I wouldn't be building for me, would I? And that wouldn't be no fun. And as much of a pain as this build was to do, I had a blast. I had a blast. I was singing race car songs and, you know, rev it up and all that stuff. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. She sure is tipped down the back. I couldn't even find any. By the time I got to where it was this far along, I didn't feel like doing any more fabricating. So it has no wheelie bars. It's just gonna have to throw a bunch of sparks when this thing flies up. It won't go very far. I mean, hell, that's about it. You know. But anyway, that's it. That's it. That is what she be. There's parts that I forgot to paint. Like I say, it was a job. I don't even much care if there's parts I didn't paint. Also, I want to show you something. My wonderful wife. Here lately, whenever she gets a little, hang on a minute, my mouth got dry. You make that?
You did.
I did. Good coffee.
Hot's empty.
Huh?
Hot's empty.
Pot's empty?
Yeah, I killed it.
Alright, that's cool. It's getting kind of late anyway.
Yeah.
I'm glad. Coffee doesn't put me to sleep anyway.
We made that.
I mean, it doesn't keep me awake. You what?
We made that when we came home from church.
That's right. That's right, I did, didn't I? Mm-hmm. Anyway. She made a couple extra bucks with her sewing. Next thing I know,
I went shopping.
she went shopping. Okay, well, you know, she goes shopping. We needed some food. So she gets some food. She comes up, she said, I got a surprise for you. Next thing I know, she comes walking down the hall holding this. She knew they were on sale. She knew that Hobby Lobby's been stocking them. And she knew I wanted it.
But I hid it.
Yeah, she hid it.
At the beginning of the week, I went in there and they had 2. So I couldn't afford it at that time. So I moved a bunch of boxes out and pushed it all the way in the back. And I could when I went there to get it. It wasn't there, and I go no, but I found one.
She knows the tricks. She learns well.
Yeah.
You see something you want, hide it. Come back and get it.
Yep.
Thing is, everybody does that. You know, I don't make a trip to any model store without I don't look through all of it. If I got the time. Here lately, I don't really have the time or the money, but if there's a way that she could figure out to get me a model, she does.
Paint or whatever.
Now you tell me, what kind of a wife is that? I'd say it's a dang good wife. She learned well. Well, come on, you know. I didn't mean that bad.
I know. I knew you wanted it.
Once again, thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
You know how much I love you.
I know. But you're working so hard with me with this business, so you deserve it too.
You're my wife. I gotta help you. Not that I wouldn't, you know. Even if I didn't want to do it, I would help you.
I know. And you don't want to, but you do.
Okay. Now, I am going to do something.
Why don't you move that out of the way? Maybe.
I'm going to do something that I have never done since I've had this channel. I'm going to do an unboxing. Now, everybody's seen this. Y'all don't go nowhere. You ain't going to never see another unboxing like this. Okay? There's other people's ways of doing things, and there's Shootdang ways of doing things. And here at Shootdang Models, this is how we unbox. Can you see this? Yes, you can. Now, instructions. Instructions. You see, there's instructions.
You don't follow instructions.
How often do I look at instructions? You see that monstrosity sitting there? You think that's in the instructions? All right, now, unboxing. Let's go through these parts and we'll find out. Here we have all the parts.
All tangled.
There's sprues.
Oops.
There goes a hood. Here's a body in a tub. And I gotta pick up this mess now.
That's right.
But there's my unboxing.
Don't step on it.
And yeah, I'll break the hood and it'll be a hoodless truck. Ooh. Ooh.
You couldn't do that.
No, not until I lost all this weight. Get skinny. So anyway, it's been fun. Mm-hmm. This is one of the shortest I've done in quite a while. Mm-hmm. I think by the time I get done my sign off, it's going to only be around 15 minutes.
That's fine.
That's okay. We have storms coming, and it's going to be storming all week, and I don't have a signal with this satellite stream when it's storming. So anyway, here we go. Take a drink.
Hi, everybody.
Ah, shoot.
That's okay. I said hi.
Yeah, I forgot to introduce my lovely wife, Janice, on the other side of the camera.
Forgot me again.
I forgot her to actually, as nice as she is to me.
You forgot me. That's okay.
But anyway, y'all know she's the queen of my heart. That's a song, but I don't want no copyright infringements. Hank Williams Jr., I think. Anyway, if anybody gives you any trouble about building models, ignore them. They're idiots. They don't know what they're talking about because they ain't never tried it or they're not. I mean, come on. So always remember, why Why do we build plastic models? Do you want to know why we build plastic models? Because plastic models are good for you. See ya.